Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser lever in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser lever. The dispenser lever, when pushed, activates the ice or water, depending on what is chosen at the dispenser control. If nothing happens when you press the dispenser lever and your glass is still empty after repeated efforts and even cursing isn't helping, it's the time to check the dispenser lever and replace it if needed. We need to remove the dispenser control unit. If you look from under, there are the three small openings. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, push in the tabs inside each little hole and remove the control unit. Disconnect the three wire plugs and put the control aside. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, take the four mounting screws, one in each corner, out, and remove the mounting bracket with the lever. First, take the spring of the lever. Carefully push open the retainer clips on the sides and take the lever out. Try not to break them. Don't lose the spring. Remove it and put aside. This is the old dispenser lever next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new dispenser lever under the clip on the switch side. The actuator on the dispenser lever should go under the switch lever. So when the dispenser lever is pressed, the switch lever activates the switch. Slide the spring on the opposite side's hinge and carefully place it under the retainer clip. Place the hooked end of the spring over the dispenser lever side. The straight end goes over the outer side of the bracket. Press the lever a couple times to check how good of a job you did. The dispenser switch should click every time the lever is pressed. Let's install the dispenser bracket and lever in. Route the wires around it and then, using the Phillips screwdriver, secure it with the four screws. Please go easy on the screws. Remember, they are going into the plastic. Bring in the dispenser control unit and reconnect the wire plugs. Don't worry about the order. They are all different sizes and will only go in one way. Route the wires out of the way, install the control and push it in and up to lock in place. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.